baby.
Hi.
Oh, your cheeks are cold. Oh, let me take off your coat, honey. Are your feet wet?
No.
Well, sit down, darling. You must be awfully tired. Put the tootsies up. That's a boy. There you are. Oh, you great, big, handsome husband, you. Mm.
Lucy,
Yes, dear?
what have you done?
Nothing. I'm just glad that I have the cutest, sweetest, most wonderful husband in the whole wide world. Kiss me.
You have something to tell me. What is it?
Well, I don't think you're ready for it yet.
I know you bought something.
Boy, am I losing my touch.